So hi everyone, as you guys saw in my previous video, like there was a feature file which we created, right? By using like login dot with the extension dot feature, right? This was my feature file. Now it was when I ran this, like when I ran this with cucumber dot feature, so it was asking for some step definition, right? It was telling like these are a step definition which are missing, right? And it was giving us the sample. Okay, I'll go ahead and do one thing. Okay, I'll create one step definition. Okay, dot class. Okay, login steps. Okay, and finish. Okay, now login steps is nothing but for this feature login file, you are giving the steps. That is nothing but actual coding. Okay, so what this step definition file is consisting of, we'll see it. Okay, now when I ran this login.feature, I found this, right? It was telling me something. You can implement the missing steps in the snippet below. Okay, so I'll go ahead and what I'll do is I'll copy all this. Okay, and I'll paste inside this. Done. Now I'll remove this extra line. This dummy lines I'll just remove. Okay. Also I'll import this. Okay, I'll go ahead and remove this as well. All right. Now I'll import this given. Instead of given, for all the when, then also it is showing an error, right? I'll give here star. Okay. Now it went. Done. Next, what I'll do is I have all these dummies, right? I'll just remove this. Okay. So I'll give one just console output here, system.out.println. Okay. User is on the login page. Okay. System.out.println. User enters user ID. Okay. System.out.println. User enters password. Okay. System.out.println. User is on the home page. Okay. Now I have all steps. Okay. Now what I'll do is now I'll go ahead and again run this feature file. Let's see what we get. Okay. See here, it is telling now all steps it found. Okay, it will just check the mapping. I have 4 steps in the feature file, right? Do I have same steps are defined in the step definition or not? Okay, so it is telling one scenario was that in that 4 steps are there, 4 also passed. Okay, the things were like found correctly. Okay, now you can just have a doubt like uh, you can have a doubt like how the mapping is done. Either you can just run your feature file and just copy and paste it from the snippet, or you can just type it with your help like at the rate given. Okay, given. Okay, then you can have one method. You can have one method public void. Okay, user login page. You can give this also. Okay, you can give this as well. Just comment this is there, so it is not taking a thing. Okay. Okay, so when you're asking given, what is given inside the given is nothing but it is asking for some string variable, right? It is asking. So what you'll go is here, whatever is written in the given next to that, whatever is there, to that you can just map it here. No mapping is done. Either you can write it in this way, or just you can just run your feature file and you can copy it from there. It is your choice to do. So previously in the previous builds and all, it used to come with the cap and dollar sign at the beginning, rejects like those signs and all. But now it is working. The latest version, it is working with this also without help of those like regular expressions also. Okay. So this is how it works. Now what I'll do is I'll just remove this. Okay, my step definition file is ready now. Okay, my feature file also is ready. Now, what comes in the runner file? Okay, I have one runner file, right? What I'll do is I'll go ahead and create one class. Okay, test runner. Okay, I'll create one class. So what this test runner is consisting of? I have this, right? Test runner. So this test runner is consisting of this thing. Okay, this is the syntax so that you can import all the options. Okay, so here you have run with and you have test runner, so I'll remove this. Okay, this is the syntax. So what I'll do is here you have run with cucumber.class, run options, cucumber options are, these are the options. So I'll go ahead and tell you like what all are the options available in cucumber. Okay, before doing that, I'll just go ahead and import this. Okay, import this one. Again, import run with this JUnit. Import cucumber options. Done. Ready. Now I'll just explain you one by one what all are the options are there and how are we supposed to take this feature file and all. Now mainly runner file. Okay, always in real time our execution starts from runner file. Okay, so now the runner file, what it does is your feature file and step definition file, the mapping is done with your runner file. Okay, you have your feature file, right? You have the one tag called features here, one more tag called glue. Okay, your feature file path needs to be given. Okay, what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and take a properties of this. Okay, I'll just copy this feature. Done. This is my feature file. In step definition, what I've given the folder step definition, it is capital, right? I'll give it as it is. Step definitions, right? I'll give it as it is. Okay, done. These two feature file and like your step definition file mapping is done. Just we'll see, go ahead and like we'll see like if it works or if any changes need to be done. We'll see now. Okay, I'm running. When I run this, so when given when then it is finding something feature. Okay, it is telling given when. Okay, sorry. So what is happening is like I have here first given, then when, then and, then right. Given user is on the login page. So given user in login, when user enters the user ID, given when. Okay.
And is
So
not there.
given when and.
And
So it needs to be changed to and. And. Okay. Then it is done. Okay, let's see if it works or still mapping needs to be done. We'll see. Okay, it is not taking the path properly. It is telling like it is undefined. We'll do one thing. Runner file. What I'll do is I'll take it from src. Okay, I'll take with double forward slash. Let's see the path this way. Okay, just I'll run now. Run as JUnit test. Okay, please. Did I save this? Okay. Okay, Yes. Okay, just give me a moment. So here, as we saw, like the step definitions, like spelling was wrong, so it was not taking. Now I gave the correct package, the package spelling, like so it took it. Now it is working as expected. As you can see here, user is on the login page. User enters user ID. So whatever you had given in the like just to see in the console the message, same thing all you're getting. So one scenario, 4 steps were run. So it took so and so time. Okay, this is all about the like a feature file, step definition file, and runner file. How you'll create a feature file, how you'll create a step definition file and runner file, and what how you'll map feature file to step definition file. So in interview, what all are the questions you're getting here is like they'll ask you what is feature file is consisting of, what you'll have exactly in the step definition file, also like what is test runner, okay, what you'll have in the runner file. Okay, and they'll start asking you about the options here. What is feature? What all are the options do we have in Cucumber? So what feature does? What glue does? They'll ask you these questions only. Okay, so to understand this, you need to have a clarity on this picture. Like this is the thing which feature file is like consisting of. Like step definition file is consisting of Selenium, Java, and different annotations. Those we'll see, go ahead and see in the upcoming classes. Also, test runner is like the one which maps the feature file to step definition file, and actual execution of the code in real time it start from the like test runner. Okay, from the runner file. This is all about like all these three files. In our upcoming thing we'll see like what all are the different options available in Cucumber. Thank you.